Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing good. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contour your nose in just under 5 minutes. But before we get started, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And now let's jump into the video. So I have started my timer, and to start with, I'm obviously going to take a contouring powder, and this is the Nars Paloma powder, and this is a flat shader brush and which is angled, and I'm going to list down all the products in the description bar down below for you guys to have a look later. Now to start with, I'm just taking a little bit of the powder from the palette, tapping off the excess at the back of my hand, and I'm starting with the brows. So I'm just going in straight to my nostrils, and it's just in the end that I've created a line. This brush is so nice that it will help you create a straight line. I'm doing the same on the other side. Now since I have a long nose, I'm going to cut it short. So for that, I'm just going to create a line over here and a little bit on the tip of my nose. And that's it. Now I'm going to take a damp sponge and some loose powder, and I'm going to apply it in the corners of my nose just to enhance the contouring that we have done. I'm also going to apply a little bit in the center of my nose, and then we are going to just blend it out. Oops, I look funny. Next, I'm taking a fluffy brush. I really look funny. Next, I'm taking a fluffy brush to blend it out, and for that, I'm just going very light-handedly all the way up to my eyebrows, and I'm just blending it out. Now for the loose powder, I'm just going to dust it off. And if you find any harsh lines, you can just blend it with your finger. Next, for the center or the bridge of your nose, I'm going to take a highlighter, and this is the Master Chrome from Maybelline, and very lightly I'm going to apply it on the centers or the bridge of your nose where the light will hit directly. And then with another finger, of course, I'm going to just blend it. Now, I don't like to apply the highlighter on the tip of my nose because I feel it will just enhance and make it look even more longer, which I don't want. And that is it, guys. I think I'm done, and we still have about 2 minutes left. So whatever time you have, you can just take your time to blend till you're happy and satisfied. So this is it, guys. This is how I contour my nose, and we are well under 5 minutes, and I'm so happy that I could pull it off, and I'm not looking that awkward. Do let me know in the comment section down below if you like contouring on my face or on my nose. I would do it more regularly, even though I'm not a big fan of contouring. I only like to do it when I'm wearing a very heavy eye look because it just goes very well and your face looks united, if you ask me. And yes, do let me know if you like this video, and please don't forget to show me some love by clicking on the thumbs up button in the bottom bar. Do let me know if you want me to create some other looks. Do let me know if you want me to do something else in. So this is it, guys. This is how I contoured my nose well under 5 minutes. It was honestly not that tough to do it under 5 minutes, but I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out to be, even though I'm not a big fan of nose contouring because I just find it a little awkward and weird to do nose contouring. But I just do it on those days when I'm wearing extremely heavy smoky eye look because it just looks all united, and it just goes well with the look. If you like this video, please show me some love by clicking on the thumbs up button in the bottom bar, and please take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can also click on the bell icon right next to it to get notified every time I upload a video, and I will see you very soon. Till then, take care and thank you so much for watching.